Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. In today's video, I will walk you through recurring invoices. Before getting into the video, let's discuss what recurring invoices are. Recurring invoices are invoices that is sent to your customer in regular intervals of time. These are perfect for businesses that bill clients on a regular schedule, be it weekly, monthly, or annually. Zoho Books simplifies this process by allowing you to create a running profile that automatically generates and send invoices, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Before getting into the video, first ensure the recurring invoices module are enabled. So for that, go to settings in the top right corner, select general under preferences and enable the module. Customize how recurring invoices are handled by adjusting the preferences. For that, click on set preference and you could see three methods over here. Create invoices as draft, create and send invoice, create charge and send invoices. When you opt method 1, invoices are saved as draft for manual review before sending. If you want to receive an email notification on the creation of invoices, you can select this setting. Method 2 states that invoices are automatically generated and emailed to the customers. Then you have the option to facilitate the customer that they could pay excess amount on a recurring invoice, or we can facilitate the customer to allow credit note against this invoice. Then under the method 3, invoices are generated, payment is auto charged to customers, save payment methods and invoices sent. To opt method 3, you have to make sure that your Zoho books are integrated with payment gateways. Once you have opted for method 3, there will be two sides. Either the payment will be successful or payment will be a failure. On success of the payment, you can either choose to send an thank you email note along with the invoice, which can be customized, or you can opt do nothing, that is not to send an email. Then if the payment is failure, in that case you have three options: either send the payment failure email notification, or send payment failure email notification and retry payment, or retry the payment without sending any email notification. So you can choose any one of the following. After that, you could see if the payment is failure, if you want to suspend the recurring invoice, you have to check this box. Then if you want to disable the automatic saving of card details of the customer, you have to select this. Then the options that we have already discussed in method 2. If you want to provide the facility to the customers that they can make the excess payment on this recurring invoice, or whether the customer can apply credit note on generated invoice, you can choose this settings. So here I am choosing the method 1. Once the recurring invoice module are enabled, you can see it under sales module. You can create a new invoice by clicking new button, provide the customer details, provide the profile name. Here for example I am providing digital Next, choose the frequency, whether it has to repeat every week or in 2 weeks or every month, or you have the option to customize. You can provide the number of days, weeks, months or years. Then provide the starting and ending date of the recurring invoice. If there is no expiry to the recurring of invoice, you can choose never expires. Otherwise, you can provide the end date. Here I am choosing October 30. Then select the payment term, choose the item or the service. Click on Save button. So all the created recurring invoice will be listed under the module. You can see the overview over here. That is the customer details, then a recurring invoice when it is started, when it will be entered, then the remaining by billing cycle, the address of the customer. The invoices generated under this recurring invoices are called child invoices. You can see all the child invoices, generated child invoices under here, and you can filter it based on the payment. You can filter by unpaid or paid. For the unpaid invoices, you can record the payment from here itself by clicking on record payment. You can make the payment, and the next invoice to be generated will be listing over here. You can see the recent activities under recent activity tab. If you want to add any invoice manually to the recurring invoice, you can create by clicking on create invoice. You can provide the details over there. Then if you want to edit the recurring invoice you have generated, click on the edit button and provide the edit. Then under more button, by clicking on stop, this recurring invoice will be suspended, and to make a duplicate of this, you can click on clone. You can delete it by clicking this delete button. And that's the wrap for today's video. Hopefully now you have a solid understanding of how to create a recurring invoice. If you have any question or need help with Zoho Books, please do contact and we will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.